Now, Rwanda is leading the East African region with a mobile network penetration rate of 99%, followed by Tanzania, Uganda, Burundi, and Kenya. Now, this is according to the East African Communications Organization, EAC Communications Sector Regional Report, launched during the 29th Annual Assembly of the Extraordinary Congress of East African Communications Organization, hosted by the Communication Authority of Kenya. The event has brought together a diverse range of ICT stakeholders and players within the ICT industry.
Set up for us to enjoy tea,
namely regional digital transformation, connectivity, inclusivity, and affordability, and institutional capacity and sustainability, and indeed the theme of the 29th Assembly and the Extraordinary Congress resonate with this.
This year, we had 132% mobile penetration, 51.2 million internet subscribers, and 38.6 million mobile money users. Our smartphone penetration rate is at 67%. The authority strives to keep average access charges for services such as mobile voice, data, and internet affordable for all. We are also committed to ensuring 100% 3G and 4G population coverage. 4G contributes up to 51.5% of total mobile data subscriptions.